If you're already struggling to stay dry this January, you're not alone.
I'm clean. I'm clean.
A recent survey says 23% of people will give up on their resolutions before the end of this week. So here are some tips to staying alcohol-free this month. Number 1, find an accountability buddy.
Connection and community is everything. So I think that it's very important that you tell someone you trust. Don't do it alone and by yourself.
And I'll have bottled water.
And you still can RSVP yes to the birthday parties and wedding invites that might come your way this month. But tip number 2, go in with a plan on what you'll drink.
Decide early. Decide before you get there. Don't show up and make a decision off the cuff because you're going to feel awkward.
What are some of those benefits that people can expect if they take this month off of drinking?
Absolutely. Well, lots. What you can expect is a much more consistent nervous system.
Sayonara, anxiety. Maybe not an official diagnosis, but one the New York Times defines as the emotional plunge people feel after drinking that doesn't quite constitute a proper hangover. And if you're wondering what you should drink instead of your usual adult beveraginos, may we suggest...
What is this?
Water.
It's horrible.
Water. It's important. A recent study from the National Institutes of Health finding that underhydrated people see a 20% increase in the risk of premature death. In fact, the average woman should have 2.5 liters per day of water, and the average man should have 3.5 liters.
So if you are doing a dry January and want to explore more than just your typical glass of tap water, download the Better Without app on your phone. It'll show you restaurant and bar options in your area that offer non-alcoholic beers and mocktails. Will Gans, ABC News, New York.